In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to your crypto.com account. If you're ready to get started, follow along closely, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer funds with ease. First, head to crypto.com/exchange and log into your account. Make sure your login credentials are handy. You'll need them to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left sidebar on your screen. This is your main navigation menu where you can access different sections of your account. You'll want to click on the option labeled Wallet. This will direct you to where all your finances are held within the platform. After clicking on the wallet, pick the fiat wallet that you'd like to work with. This could be in USD, EUR, or whichever currency you primarily use for transactions. Selecting the correct currency is crucial because this is where your bank details will be linked for fund transfers. Once you've selected your fiat wallet, you'll notice an option to either deposit or withdraw next to your chosen currency. For those who haven't linked a bank account yet, clicking either of these options will prompt you to add one. This is a security feature ensuring that only you can make changes or add accounts. If you haven't already linked a bank account, you'll see a prompt to do so. Carefully enter your bank details when you're ready. This will generally include the name associated with your bank account, your account number, and the SWIFT or IBAN code. Double check to make sure all the details are correct. Entering inaccurate information could result in failed transactions or delays in processing your funds. After entering your details, you'll need to follow the next set of prompts. These prompts will guide you through any additional verification steps necessary to ensure that your bank account can be safely and securely linked to your crypto.com account. This is often a simple process, but pay close attention to any instructions or confirmations required. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank account to crypto.com. Now you can efficiently manage your funds, making deposits and withdrawals whenever you need. If you encounter any issues or have further questions about your account setup, consider visiting the crypto.com Help Center for additional support. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy trading on crypto.com.